Ingredients that you need.
Ay, sorry, may ano ko sa buhok. Sorry.
My nose hair. Ooh!
Okay, sorry.
Hi, I'm Marcel, and I'm the food editor of Yummy.ph. This is Cooking with Newbies. We already have many episodes on YouTube, and if you want to catch all our episodes, don't forget to subscribe. So on this episode, we have Elaine.
Hello, hi. I'm Elaine. I'm a freelance writer and editor. I'm also a wife and a mom. That's my primary job, actually.
Have you ever cooked before?
I cook a bit, yes. I have to. Because
Okay.
I have to feed my family.
Good.
But I'm scared because I'm seeing eggs and baking stuff and I don't know how to bake.
You don't know
at
how to
all.
bake. Okay.
Yes.
Well, that's okay because
Okay.
I'm here and
Okay.
I'm going to help you through a very easy baking recipe. What's wonderful?
Easy, okay.
Yes, an easy baking recipe. Have you baked anything before?
Just the instant brownies that you cook in the oven toaster.
Oven toaster. Okay,
Yun lang.
pwede na yun, pwede yan.
Okay.
Right. So, are you ready to find out what recipe you're going to do?
Yes, I'm curious kung
Alright. Well, for one thing, we can find a recipe on yummy.ph. And what we're going to make today is
Ooh! Okay, sorry.
coconut macaroons!
Okay. I like eating macaroons, but I've never made it. So
Yay!
This is
Well,
interesting.
these are all the ingredients that you need.
Okay.
Alright, so right now we have some nyog.
Yup.
And then we have our condensed milk right here.
Mm-hmm.
We have an egg because we need an egg white. And then we have a little bit of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Because in baking, you always want to add a little bit of salt to your baking because
Okay.
that is what's going to emphasize the sweetness. Yeah. And then, of course, we have some vanilla here.
Yes, I like vanilla.
You like vanilla. And then, last and not least, we're going to add a bit of
Chocolate chips.
But the chocolate chips, what we're going to do with this is we're going to melt it down.
Okay.
And then we're going to make little lines on top. So that it's pretty.
Okay.
First thing we got to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And
Okay.
right now, it's preheated.
Okay.
All right, so I did that for you
Okay.
already.
Does it work on a regular toaster, or do you need an
This,
oven?
this will work, but what you need to do is check your macaroons
Okay.
after, say, because this bakes in about 20 to 30 minutes. You might have to
Okay.
check it a little bit earlier, only because a toaster oven does not have a temperature gauge.
Okay. Pero possible.
Possible.
Okay, perfect.
Maluluto siya.
Non-bakers like
Yes.
me na walang
Yeah, na walang oven.
Okay.
So, you're going to do everything.
Okay.
Okay? I'll just
Okay.
guide you through everything. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add our condensed milk into this bowl
Okay.
with the milk.
I'll put it there na.
Yes!
Okay, game.
You will need that. Go
And
ahead.
then, so I'll just put it there.
Yes. That is around a cup or so of condensed milk. There you go.
And then I'll mix it.
Yes, you can mix it, but it will be a little bit hard at the moment. But sige, go
Yeah,
ahead. Mix
okay.
it.
Afraid.
I like that you're so proactive. You need to mix it now. That's why you haven't added all that.
Okay, sorry. Excited. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, there.
Yes. So when you're mixing, what you want to do is you want to hold on to your spatula, and what I
Uh-huh.
want you to do is go scrape the sides of the bowl
Okay.
and lift from the bottom. and
Okay.
over.
Parang ang sarap nun eh.
Right?
Okay, go.
Not hard yet,
Yes,
right?
okay.
We need an egg white.
An egg white. Okay.
Yes. So you're going to have to break. Do you know how to separate an egg?
Sorry.
Okay.
I've seen it on TV. Let me try.
Okay. Break it on the table. Centered. You want to press your thumbs into the hole,
Okay.
into the break, and then you want to open.
Okay.
Okay. Here you go.
There. Oh my god.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then I'll mix it.
We now need a bit of salt, and
Okay.
we also need our
Vanilla.
vanilla.
Okay. How much
Okay.
salt?
So it says there a pinch of salt.
Okay. There.
Alright. And then we have our
Vanilla.
vanilla extract. And for this one, we only need about a teaspoon.
So I'll put 1 teaspoon
Vanilla.
of vanilla. Yeah, this is good.
Yes,
I'll put
that's
it.
good. That's good.
1 teaspoon
Yes,
of
of
vanilla.
vanilla.
Put it here.
Alright. Now you can mix
I'll
all you
mix.
want.
Okay.
Yes. Guess what? That's it.
Sorry! Ang kalat. Hindi ako marunong mag-ano.
Pag-mix, okay lang. And once it's all mixed in, that looks pretty good actually. What do you think?
Yes, I think even na yung color niya.
Alright. So we'll fill up one. So what we need to do is
Put the
wanna...
liners.
Yes, we want to put liners in it.
Ay, makapal pala siya.
Yes. These are 3/4 ounce liners. And this is a mini cupcake tray. This can be your first baking project with your son because there isn't a lot of ingredients that you need.
Ay, sorry, may ano ko sa buhok. Nyog, sorry.
Wait,
Meron pa. OMG.
Oh my gosh. So now that we have them all filled up, we're just going to need a teaspoon, and we're going to fill each and every one of these little cupcake liners. There you go. Yep, just make sure that's inside.
But if I don't have liners, can I put it directly to the pan?
You can, but what you want to do is you want to oil it or grease it a little bit just to make sure that it doesn't stick.
Okay. Okay, nag-enjoy na.
Yay! Diba? Not too hard, right? It's very easy. All you gotta do is just mix everything together.
Okay.
Okay. We're done with this tray. Let's put this in the oven. Okay?
Okay.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20
Okay.
minutes. It's time, Elaine,
Okay.
to bring out your macarons from the oven.
Okay.
Here you go. Don't forget
Excited.
to...
Naamoy ko na siya.
Here you go.
Okay. Okay, mukha naman siyang legit.
Looks great.
Bango, guys.
Alright, so we can actually set this aside for a bit.
Okay.
And then we can start on our chocolate chips.
Okay.
So all we need is around half a cup.
This is half a cup.
There you go.
Ganyan, okay.
Pwede naman. Pwede ko. You can pour it out naman. Pwede. Alright. That's actually very generous for our macarons.
Here.
Yes. And then what we're going to do is we're just gonna microwave it. What we want to do is microwave it on high, but it won't be completely melted.
Okay.
It's only once you stir, na makikita mo na mas melted pala siya than what you originally thought. Kasi what happens a lot is people melt it in the microwave fully.
Until super
melted.
Okay.
And in fact, they burned the chocolate. So, okay, we'll put that in the microwave and we'll melt it down.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Let's show them and see what happens.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's hot, but it doesn't look melted.
Yeah, right? It doesn't look melted at all. What
Okay.
you need to do is you want to stir it a bit.
Ooh, ayun na siya.
Right? It's melting slowly. There we go. All right. Nice and melted. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yay. Oh, is it hot?
It's hot.
Still hot, still hot, still hot. So we have toothpicks, and what I want to show you is the easy way of getting these guys out. Shouldn't be too hot right now.
Okay.
Not anymore, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's nice and soft. All right.
Okay.
Okay,
There.
Okay, so now we can put this aside.
Yay!
And to
Okay.
drizzle. You can use this, or you can use a spoon to drizzle, but you can use anything really. Put the tray underneath so that anything that falls through, maliit pala siya.
It's okay.
So, and then we can just drizzle. What some people do also is
how do you make it pretty? There.
we can also use a Ziploc bag that you cut
like
off the top, like a little piping bag.
Yeah.
Super random.
Ano?
Okay lang. All we want is just to
Paano
have that
masarap,
taste of
yeah.
the chocolate. Yay! All right. Looks great.
Okay. Pwede na pang Instagram.
Yes.
Okay.
We can
Try na
try
natin.
it. We're gonna try it.
Sige.
All right. Okay, game. All right.
I'm
you
ready
first.
to try. Okay. I'll get this maraming chocolate.
Okay, here we go. I'll get one as well.
Okay.
It's gooey on the bottom, and then it's nice and crispy on top, and then has chocolate on top. I like those reactions.
Sure
Here we go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can bake.
time to plate, we'll just put it on a plate and then
Plating
present it.
pa. Okay.
Of course,
Okay, there's
plating.
still plating. I thought I was
Alright.
Game.
Yum.
So cute. So pretty. There. Okay. So baking isn't so bad naman pala. Kaya naman pala siya.
Easy
Mhm.
and delicious,
Yeah.
and of course, you were able to do it.
Yeah, this is really good. Thank you.
Yay! I'm so glad that you enjoyed. So, thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Elaine, for being
Thank you
on
for
Cooking with
having
Newbies.
me.
So, if you guys want to do easy recipes, just like this one, the coconut macaroons, don't forget to subscribe on Yummy PH on YouTube, and of course, visit yummy.ph